Hey guys, my name is Prince and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we're going to be reviewing one of the best pocket-friendly RGB video lights out there in the market. So let's get started. This is the LituFoto RGB video light with a 360-degree full color capabilities. It has a color temperature of 3200 to 7500 Kelvin and packed with 9 different light scenes for effect. It is enclosed in an aluminum alloy casing for safety and a white plastic cover in front to help diffuse the light. Out of the box, you are welcome with a small LituFoto branding, a user manual, an adapter for mounting the light, a USB Type-C cable, a protective bag for storage, and finally the light itself sealed in a small nylon bag. At the back, you have a small display screen at the top right corner that displays the different light modes and dials on the side for switching or changing into the different modes. The light is packed with a 4040 mAh lithium battery that takes about 3 hours to get a full charge. For usage, the light runs for about 2 hours at 100% brightness and up to 8 hours at 1% brightness. It has 2 USB ports, one 5V USB Type-C port for charging the light itself and another USB Type-A for charging your devices. To mount the light on cameras or on light stands, there are 2 1/4-inch thread holes, one on the side and the other at the bottom. Overall, this is a really good portable light. The one feature I would have loved on it is a way to control the light via a mobile app. At the time of this video, the light cost $52.99 on Amazon, and if you want to check it out, I've added the Amazon links in the description below. So that's the end of our video review for today. And if you think you have a better alternative to the video light I reviewed, please hit me up in the comment section and I'll check them out. Thank you guys for watching and catch you guys in the next one.